rescue as many humans as possible in case of natural disasters, in case of building collapse, in case of fire breakouts in certain buildings. So this particular solution will help us, will enable the rescue agencies in finding, locating and evacuation process of any survivors in all these incidents which I have mentioned previously. Idea came from one incident which I actually came across back in 2012. उस वक़्त एक स्नो एवलांच फिनोमिना अकर हुआ था इन कारगिल सेशन, दैट पार्ट ऑफ कश्मीर, और वहाँ पे हमारे अराउंड 100 प्लस ह्यूमन आर्मी पर्सनल वर ट्रैप्ड अंडर दैट एवलांच, स्नो एवलांच, और उसके लिए फिर रेस्क्यू एफर्ट्स शुरू हुई थी. And then I noticed a team was invited from Holland to help the military in finding any survivors in that incident. वो टीम जो है वो ये वाली टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ कर रही थी जिसमें they were trying to figure out the presence of any motion under that snow avalanche. और वो motion जो है that was being captured through those radars they were using for this purpose. Technically इस प्रोजेक्ट का जो वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल है दैट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन डॉपलर फिनोमेना विच इज़ वेरी वेल नोन. सो व्हाट वी डू इज़ वी सेंड एन RF signal which when is reflected from a stationary body then that signal is considered stationary, but when it is reflected from a moving body, for example the motion that is very small in terms of magnitude and its frequency which is constructed out of the breathing of the human, that signal reflection from a breathing body is the one which creates the difference. Currently our hardware prototype that we have developed, that is delivering the presence or absence of an alive human either behind the wall, or if it is trapped in the rubble, or if it is trapped in a building which has been where the fire has broken out. So these are different avenues where this technology currently is tested. कमर्शियल वैल्यू इस प्रोजेक्ट की प्राइमरली ऑल रेस्क्यू एजेंसीज़ के लिए है. दे आर द एंड यूज़र्स. उसमें रेस्क्यू 1122 भी आएगी, उसमें फायर एजेंसीज़ भी आएंगी, और पुलिस इन केस ऑफ हॉस्टेजेस. वी विल आल्सो यूज़ मॉड्यूलेशन टेक्निक्स which will allow us to find out the depth of those objects. For example, in case of rescue mission, we want to know, if we have to do digging, we need to know how deep the body is trapped. So for that purpose, we will do modulation of our transmitted signals, which will help us to find out the depth part as well as the location. Targeted customers for this particular solution are primarily rescue agencies हैं सारी. उसमें पुलिस भी आ जाएगी, उसमें रेस्क्यू 1122 भी, उसमें फायर डिपार्टमेंट भी, उसमें एनी अदर डिपार्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व इन रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस, वो सब इसके एंड यूज़र्स एंड टारगेट ऑडियंस है. इसके अलावा आर्म्ड फोर्सेस कुड बी अनदर पोटेंशियल टारगेट, क्योंकि दे आर ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन मैनी ऑपरेशंस इन्वॉल्विंग रेस्क्यू. तो दिस इज़ द लिस्ट ऑफ end users and target customers for this particular project.